promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynette. In case you're new here, hi and welcome to the family. So in today's video, I'm gonna be recreating this look over here, which I had posted on my status and y'all were crazy over it. So I'm gonna be recreating that look for you guys, that you can follow through and you can be able to do it. Actually, it's so easy. Like, it's so easy. It's the easiest look I've ever tried or I've ever done. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And without much further ado, let us go straight into this video. So starting off with the eyebrows, today I'm not going to be using the Davis color number 3 eye pencil because it's finished. I'm going to be using my mom's eye pencil instead. This is the Davis color number 18. It's lighter. I like using the darker one so that I can intensify the tail, but it's okay. I'm going to be using what I have today. And we're gonna start right away. I'm talking too much. I am talking too much. So the eyebrows are well cleaned. All we're gonna do, I don't know why I'm shrugging like that. Oh my god. All we're gonna do is blend out the concealer that is all over the place. And I'm using a fluffy brush for this. Can it wash? So guys, when you finish blending out the concealers on the edges of your eyebrows, the next thing is setting a base for your eyeshadow. Oh my god, I'm looking for a lighter shade of concealer. I don't want to use the same one that I used to clean my eyebrows because I'm using pigmented. Okay, I'm using a bright color of eyeshadow, so I want it to pop. I don't want it to look like a state as fade. I want it to appear as the way it appears from the eyeshadow palette. I am saying too much. It's already 7 minutes long, guys. So after you blend out the concealer on your eyelids, this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna start off with the darker shade of pink over here from the from the Ashes eyeshadow palette. And you're gonna place this on the outer corner of our eyes. Make sure you don't apply any eyeshadow when you have creases on your eyelids. If you have creases, it's not gonna work out. So if you see that after you have applied the concealer, you have like some fine lines, I don't know if it's visible on your end, but if you have some fine lines like these ones, be sure to blend it out again. I'm gonna move on to the lighter shade of pink on the palette, this one. As you can see, it's lighter than this one. And I'm gonna place it next to the darker one. Remember, I'm using matte eyeshadow. Matte eyeshadow means it does not have any shimmering. So if you're looking forward to do a smoky eye, you should not use eyeshadow that has shimmering in it. You should use a matte eyeshadow, the one that looks like powder. Okay? I'm going to be using a neutral shade of eyeshadow to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow so that you don't have lines of demarcations or harsh lines. So I'm going to go in with the orange eyeshadow here. I don't know how much you guys can see from the camera, but if you are here and I was to tell you guys to contrast between this eye and this one, which you'd like, you definitely choose this one. That orange shade makes much of a difference. It makes a huge difference. I don't know if you can actually tell. Look at this one. Just look at the edges and how it looks, and then look at this. Look, can you see the difference, you guys? When you apply eyeshadow, make sure you use a neutral shade of eyeshadow to blend it out, like blend out the edges. So next up, I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner, and the reason as to why I'm doing the liquid eyeliner before the glitters is because it will be so hard for you to draw your eyeliner after you place the glitters on your eyelids. It will be next to impossible. So just do your eyeliner, do your mascara before you apply the glitters. So one eye down, one more to go anyway. So do you see how much that eyeliner makes a difference? Just look at that eye and look at this one. Can you see the difference? It makes a huge difference. Just look at that. I can even go out without applying any falsies, but it reminds me, if you're still struggling with how to do your eyeliner, I'm going to recommend a video right over here. So you're gonna click on it after this video and learn how to do your eyeliner like perfectly. Look at that. Look at that. I don't want to brag because if I start, I'll not stop. Anyway, let's do the other one, then I'll be back. So next up, you're going to go in with the Dermacol mascara so that you can clear out the fallouts that are on my eyelashes. Ladies and gentlemen, now to the moment that you've all been waiting for. Application of the glitters onto the lids. So you're gonna need a clear white glue. Lash glue. Yeah, a lash glue. You're gonna need a clear white lash glue. Gonna put some of it at the back of your hand like that. A brush. Tap the brush in the glue. And then don't need much. I don't know if you can see. You don't need much. That's enough. And then place them. Hey, they're falling. Place them on your lids like this. Like this. That's enough. Remember, too much of something again is not good, so just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know if it's the camera or is it, I can't see anything. I don't think you can see what I'm seeing. Can you? I don't know. I don't know if the lenses are not clean. I don't know. The video is 21 minutes long. Okay, we're gonna move on to the foundation. I already have my skincare on. I have the sunscreen, I have the moisturizer. Let's move on to the foundation application. When it comes to foundation, apply your foundation using a damp beauty blender. Yeah, this is a makeup cup, not the actual cup that we use to drink water. Yes. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's a full coverage foundation in the shade Spicy Brown, or if you like to call it by the number, it's number 338. 338. Again, don't use a lot of product. A lot of product does not make your makeup look better. So a little bit goes along. I don't know, is it me or the lighting is so poor? I don't know why. I just feel like the lighting is not giving. You don't need a lot of products on your forehead as well. We're gonna move on to highlighting, and I'm going to be using the same concealer that I used to clean my brows. And let me just put everything here because this video is gonna take way longer than I want it to. We're gonna apply, okay, we're gonna highlight under our eye like this. And if you have a big forehead, highlight more. If you have a small forehead, highlight less. I'm gonna let this sit for some time so that I can get maximum and full coverage, then I'll blend it out. As we wait for the concealer to set, we're gonna be using the lashes from Kylie 3D Mink eyelashes. They are dramatic but not that dramatic, so this is what I'm going to be using. Let's apply the glue onto the eyelashes and wait for them to get tacky so that after we blend out the concealer we can apply our false lashes. So we're going to move on to blend out the concealer that is on our under eye, the bridge of our nose, mustache and chin, and as well as the forehead with the same side of the beauty blender that we use to blend in the foundation so that we can avoid harsh lines as well as lines of demarcation. That's the same thing, but I don't know why I keep on saying as well as lid. Anyway, let's blend it out. the lash glue has not yet dried, so we're gonna move on to setting the places that we highlighted, and I'm gonna be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm gonna be tapping it in the powder like that, and then blow off the excess, or you can just tap it on your hand like this to get rid of the excess powder. Get rid of the excess powder so that you don't have like a big color here. Blend it until it blends in seamlessly. Like that. Next up, you're going to go in with the black opal setting, finishing powder to go over everything, so that if you apply a little bit much of the buttercup powder, you're going to go in with the brown powder so that you can even that out. We're gonna move on to highlighting, and I'm gonna be using the Glassy eyeshadow highlighter and blush palette. We're gonna move on to lip lining our lips, and then apply the lippy, and then we call it a day. Not sure if you guys remember the eye look rule. If you have a bold eye look, like the one which I'm wearing right now, then the lippy that should wear should not be at the same one. They will clash, like seriously. You need to have now a neutral lip color. I'm going to be using this from Huda Beauty. It's a nude lip color, and I love it so much. So much. I really hope that you enjoyed and learned something from this video. So that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you in my next video. Till next time. Bye.